If you hate cold calling, then this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to show you how I book 3 to 5 meetings every single cold calling session with this Google map and a cold calling script, along with this cold calling tracker which I built inside the Google Sheets. If you want to access this cold calling script and the cold calling tracker sheet, and along with all the tools I'm using inside my agency to bring in consistent income, then click the link in the description and get access to this. You can find everything in the first link in the description. Now, let's get started calling. Just to be clear, in this video, I'm going to be selling free websites to all the businesses who don't have a website, who I'm just going through the Google My Business page. I'm not actually going to sell a free website, which I'm going to put my time into building everything. I'm just going to make use of a template in Go High Level, and I will slap their logo, put their details, and connect the domain and make it live. The main goal is to sell them the SaaS features which comes along the website. If they stop paying for the SaaS, they won't get the access to the website. So I will charge them £97 a month with the review campaign. So yeah, this is the goal. For everyone who is watching this video, I'm not doing anything for free, and nothing is in life for free. There will be something attached to it. So this is my game. Let's go for the first call. Hello, is this ZB Plumbing?
Yeah, speaking.
Yeah, are you guys still open and doing services, right?
Yes.
Yeah, amazing. But sounds good. So, believe it or not, I actually went ahead and built you a free website. I just looking, if you had like 10-15 minutes, I can show you the website. If you like it, you can keep it.
I'm all good at the minute, mate. I'm extremely busy. I'm currently in some assignments.
Okay, mate. Okay, that's good.
Alright.
You have a nice day.
Cheers.
Even if I've been doing cold calling for a while, the first call is nerve-wracking. I don't know if you can see this. I'm actually started sweating and my heart is racing. But it's gonna happen and you will feel the same. It's not gonna stay like this for the whole session. The first call will be like this, and when you keep on getting rejected, you'll get numb, and you'll be on the flow, on like in the zone, and you start making lots of calls. It's just a number game. If you keep on calling like 10-20 businesses, one or two will be interested, and you will book a meeting and you will sign the client. Bam, you got paid. So next call.
Hello?
Hello, is this Beaconsfield Plumbing?
It is.
Yeah, are you guys still open and doing services, right?
Yes.
Yeah, amazing, but sounds good. So, believe it or not, I actually went ahead and built you a free website for your business to get more clients. If you had like...
it's not something I'm interested in, mate.
It's just free. I already built it for you. If you had like 10-15 minutes, I can show you on a video call.
No, I'm not. I don't buy things from cold calling people, unfortunately.
Okay, mate. Okay, have a nice day.
Bye-bye.
It's definitely my accent. I'm trying to change it, but see, this guy said I don't want to buy anything from cold calling people. It's not true, like 100% not true. People don't want to buy anything from Indian people who are trying to sell anything to English and American people. Since I have an Indian accent, even though I'm in England and I'm trying to sell the service to English clients, people don't trust me. It's because of my accent, but I don't give up, and I have to do something to get in clients. As you can see in my last videos, even with this accent, I'm still booking meetings. I'm pretty sure I will book more meetings when I start making more calls. So I don't want to put this negative thoughts just because I have an Indian accent, I can't get clients. Yes, it's a disadvantage, but I'm not gonna let this affect my mindset. On to the next call. Probably I will book this meeting. Let's see what happens.
Hello?
Hello, is this FA Plumbing?
Yes, Faisal speaking.
Yes, are you still open and doing services, right?
Yes, correct.
Yeah, amazing, mate. Sounds good. So, believe it or not, I actually went ahead and built you a free high converting website.
Honestly, I'm okay, mate. I appreciate that. Thank you.
I've already built it for free. If you had like 10-15...
I know, but I don't need a website.
Okay, mate. Okay, have a nice day.
Thank you. You too, bye.
Bye. Okay, that's bad.
Hello?
Hello, is this Windmill Plumbing?
Yeah. Hello there.
Yeah, are you guys still open and doing services, right?
Yes, yep.
Amazing, mate. Sounds good. So, believe it or not, I actually went ahead and built you a free plumbing website which can help you get more clients. If you had like 10-15 minutes, I can show you in a video call.
I'm fine, thanks, mate. I've got plenty of work. I'm fine at the moment. Give us a call next year.
Next year. Okay, mate. That sounds good. Have a nice day.
Thanks for that. Bye.
Bye. Hello. Is it Cooper Wave Plumbing?
Oh, hi, yes. We're coming meeting.
You're still open and doing services, right?
Sorry?
Are you guys still open and doing services, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
That sounds good, mate. So, believe it or not, I actually went ahead and built you a free plumbing website which can help you on getting more clients. If you had like...
Thank you. Sorry.
Okay, mate. Have a nice day. That's a lot of rejection. We are having a bad day at the moment, but I'm not gonna let this affect my mindset. On to the next call.
This is the Vodafone voicemail service for 077.
Hello, is this MKI Plumbing?
Yeah, speaking.
Are you guys still open and doing services, right?
Yes, we are.
Yeah, amazing, mate. Sounds good. So, believe it or not, I actually went ahead and built you a free high converting plumbing website. If you had like 10-15 minutes, I can show it on a video call. And if you like the website, you actually keep it for free. Would you be interested in this?
To be honestly, I'm slightly busy and so tired. I'm doing a couple of things.
Let me know when you're free. I can show you on a video call. If you like the website, I can just give it to you for free.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll call you. What's your name?
My name is Gautam. I'm from Bournemouth.
Oh, okay. Right, Gautam. Just give me a few minutes. But anyway, I'll call you when I'm free.
Okay, man. So can I give you a call at like 5-6 maybe when you're free?
Sometime I'm busy. The best is if I can, because I've got a call from customer all the time.
Okay, man. I can get it. I can get it.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Gautam. Thanks. I'll call you back.
Definitely, man. Have a nice day.
Yeah, no worries. You too. Thanks. Thank you, Gautam. Thanks.
And that's how you do it. As you can see in the screen, it's everything is mostly red and gray instead of green. And this would be the first green of today's cold calling session. It's gonna be like this. You have to keep on calling people, and it's a number game, and you will start booking clients. On to the next call.
Welcome to the EE voicemail. I'm sorry, but the person you called...
Hello.
Hello, is this Quantum Plumbing?
Yeah, hiya.
Are you guys still open and doing services?
Not at the minute, no.
Okay, man. But you still you guys are open, right?
Yeah, well, it's closing this year, but yeah, junior service.
So yeah, I was not calling for a service, so I went ahead and built you a free website for your plumbing business. If you had like...
Hello?
Hello, is this Alpha Plumbing?
Indeed, speaking.
Are you still open and doing services, right?
Well, yeah, but depends what you need and how quickly you need, because basically we are quite booked in for a few, 2-3 months now.
Okay, you're busy.
Yeah, but how can I help? What you was looking for?
So yeah, I wasn't looking for a service like plumbing service. I was just looking into your Google My Business page, and it looks like you can have my help, because I actually built you a free converting website for your plumbing services to help you get more clients. If you had
Okay,
like...
thank you so much, but to be honest with you, I'm quite busy and I don't really need a website for now. But later on, if I need anything, I can give you a call or something like that. But I'm quite okay for now, yeah?
Yeah, just keep in mind that I'm giving out website totally for free.
No, that I do understand that. That's fine, but I don't really need one. So
Okay, I get it.
basically, or I don't have the time to go on it and look and put pictures or stuff like that, because obviously I don't need at the moment, because I'm, as you say, I'm quite busy for now. But thank you so much. Yeah.
If you want some help in the future, let me know. I can build your
I
website.
definitely will. But thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Cheers. Thank you. Bye.
That's another no, but still we're gonna go for another call.
Hello?
Hello, is this Warner Plumbing?
Yeah?
Are you still open and doing services, right?
What, for today?
Is your business still open?
Yeah?
Yeah, sounds good, mate. So yeah, believe it or not, I actually went ahead and built you a free converting website for your plumbing business. If you had
I've
like,
already got it. Thank you.
okay, mate, have a nice day.
Alright.
Hello, is this WD Plumbing?
Sorry?
Is it WD Plumbing?
No, wrong number, mate, so.
Okay, mate, have a nice day. Sorry.
Cheers, bye-bye.
It says the business name in the number. I don't know. Let's go for another call.
Hello?
Hello, is this CBS Plumbing?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you guys still open and doing services, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, amazing, mate. Sounds good. Believe it or not, I actually went ahead and built you a free high converting website for your plumbing business. If you had like a 10-15 minutes, I can show it in our video call.
I'm under a bath, mate.
Let me know when you're free. I can give you a call back.
Yeah, cheers.
Maybe at 5 or 6.
Yeah, let's do that, yeah.
Okay, mate. You have a good day. I'll call you at 6.
Cheers.
Bye. So this is the main reason why I don't ask email from the plumbers to book in a call on Calendly to send them a Zoom or a Google Meet link, because they are busy and I don't want to piss them off by asking an email, double checking them if there's a spelling mistake. So it's a lot of headache for them and for me. So I'm trying to lower the friction between me and the potential client. So if my system is three calls and then close. The first call is cold, the second call will be warm, and after the second call I'll directly go for a Google Meet to show them the website, and I'll try to close the client in the meeting. So it's one cold call, one warm call, and a video call. And at the moment we have 2 meetings booked and we are going for another call. Hello, is this DEG Plumbing?
It says yes.
Are you guys still open and doing services, right?
Services, yeah.
Okay, man, it sounds good. So, believe it or not, I actually went ahead and built you a free high converting website for plumbing businesses. If you had... Come on. Today is so far the worst day I ever had in cold calling session. Usually I tend to book 3 to 5, max 7 bookings a day. Today I got just 2 bookings, and I went through all the businesses who doesn't have a website in Buckinghamshire, and tomorrow probably I'll go for Cambridgeshire. So I'm covering each district one by one in plumbing services. Yeah, you will have these kinds of bad days here and there. Don't lose hope. I still got 2 meetings booked, which is today. I could have I just called like 20 businesses today, and most of them say no. And if you see, some of the people who are commenting on my video are saying, how am I getting more calls picked up? Because if they're trying to call businesses, they can't even reach the client because they don't want to pick up. The main reason is you're not using the local phone number. If you're using Indian, Pakistani, Bangladeshi, Philippines, like those kinds of numbers, probably people think you are a scam and they don't want to pick up the call. Use the local number, purchase it in go high level, which I think it's a bit cheap. You can just start calling within your laptop or PC or whatever you're using right now, instead of calling one by one with your phone, dialing it in the phone. And you can also automate the calling within your go high level. So it will be more easier if you had a go high level number. I'm not doing that because I am creating content and getting client at the same time. So this is more interactive than like clicking a number and sitting back and talking to people. So yeah, we had a bad day, but we still got 2 meetings booked. I just made 20 calls today because I have to prepare for meetings I have booked up in a half an hour. So I have like 4 or 5 meetings from earlier cold calling sessions, and all the warm leads who are interested but didn't book a call, I'm converting every single people, reaching out again and again, and asking them to at least book a meeting with me to show the website. So this is what you have to do. If they even show them a small interest, you have to keep on calling them, messaging them. Don't pester them. Give them some time, like once in 3 days or once in 4 days. You have to keep on showing up. Only then they will be trust you enough to book a meeting with you, because they don't know you. Just call from nowhere, and they don't have any intention to lose their money for like a scam. So yeah, I'm ending this cold calling session. I'm gonna prepare for meetings, and if you want this cold calling script and this cold calling tracker Google Sheet, you can find this first link in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.